Like the more AI tools we use, the messier our work actually gets. It's wild because we're doing more, but somehow accomplishing less.
That is exactly what Ravindra Dostico calls the illusion of productivity. Most people are stuck in this loop of random AI usage, just asking vague questions and copying whatever pops out.
Right. It's like we're treating it like a magic button. But if we aren't thinking, we're just outsourcing our brains, aren't we?
Exactly. That's why he developed the AIYING system. It's built on the idea that the real advantage isn't access to tools, but operational intelligence.
Operational intelligence. Okay. So how does that actually look in a daily routine? Is there a specific process to follow?
There is. It's called the TAJ framework. Think, ask, and judge. You start by pausing for 30 seconds to clarify your actual goal before you even touch a prompt.
Oh, so no more rapid fire prompting. You're saying we need to define the outcome first so AI amplifies clarity instead of just adding more noise.
Precisely. Then, after you ask, you have to judge. AI outputs aren't gospel. You have to evaluate them for correctness and fit.
That makes sense. I noticed there are specialized tools in this ecosystem too, like Resume Radar and Interview Coach AI. Are those just for job hunters?
They're part of a career intelligence layer. For instance, Career Switch helps you map a path based on data and future alignment rather than just salary hype.
I like that approach. It sounds like the goal is to use things like Problem Articulator AI to turn messy situations into clear action items.
Spot on. It's about moving from just using AI to actually operating with AI to build your own human capability.
It's a huge shift from being a passive consumer to a systematic achiever. Thanks for breaking this down.